Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CodeSnap. In this video, we are going to learn how to install CUDA and CUDNN library for the NVIDIA supported devices. For that, we need to just open the browser and search for the term CUDA toolkit. After searching, you will find a link on the top of that and then go over there and click it open. Then go for the download button, wait for the page to be open and select the operating system that we are using. As you guys know, Ubuntu is the Linux-based operating system, so that I am going to choose the Linux. And then my system architecture, that is the x86-64, and then the Ubuntu operating system, and we will choose the version of the operating system which has to be installed, the CUDA libraries. As you guys can see, there are only two versions, Ubuntu 20.04 and 22.04. But Ubuntu has recently launched a new operating system, Ubuntu 24.04 Noble Numbat. So it's an official statement that Ubuntu doesn't support the latest operating system, the installation of the CUDA library. So for that, we will be going for the Ubuntu 22.04 version for the installation of the CUDA libraries and go for the dev local files. And there has been provided a very simple steps so that we can easily install the CUDA libraries. So that we are going to run the first command, open the terminal, and let me clear it out first. Then just press the command and press the enter button. Once the file has been downloaded, then go for the second command that has been provided and copy it and then paste it on a terminal. And then enter the your administrator password, or you can say root password, and it will be completed. As you guys can see, the wget command you usually get to download the file over the remote server. So that I had already downloaded, and either you can go directly run the command if you haven't downloaded, and then we just need to run the next command that has been provided to run up the installer. Then just copied it out and paste it over there in the terminal. As you guys can see, my downloads is in the download directly. So I had just have to replace the directly, and it will be just starting going on off. And as you can just see, the package is currently unpacked and it is being currently installed. It will take some time, so you guys have to bear with it. And once it is been downloaded and extracted, there will be a command shown to add the keys to the keyring of the Ubuntu software service. Then, as you can get see that CUDA has been already providing the similar command with the asterisk sign. But as you guys can see, each and every system has a unique identification key. So you guys can generate something different number, but you don't need to be any worry. Just follow up the command either provided in the terminal or just the instruction provided in the CUDA instruction. And after placing it and then press enter, following that, you just need to pass out the update command so that it will refresh the system. Once it is been done, then we can easily go and install the CUDA command. But before that, I would like to go over there and download the CUDNN libraries. But as you guys can see, the CUDA command is directly supported with the latest version of the CUDA drivers. So we need to install along with the CUDA toolkit so that it get configured correctly in a supportive manner so that the CUDA library will run the efficiently as it intended to be. And to install the CUDNN library, you just need to open a new tab and just search the term CUDNN. After searching off, you get a link for the NVIDIA developers and click it open and go for the download CUDNN library button. Once the page open, we will do as we have similarly done with the CUDA libraries option selections. And we will go for the Ubuntu 24.04 and the deb local file. And you guys can go for the deb network files too, but I will prefer the deb local file. And here is also few similar steps to install the CUDNN. And you guys can directly download by clicking the download button, or you can go for the link that has been provided with the wget command. As you guys have seen that I have already downloaded, so I just need to run the second command to install, and my files in the directory, so I just have to mark it out on the directly and just press it enter. And once the unpacking will be done, the CUDA library will be ready to get installed with their keyrings in the keyring directory of the software. And this will be generate similar command as the CUDA that has been previously we have seen over there with the similar unique keyrings. And in the CUDA commands that has been provided to install, you will get the similar output. So we just need to copy it out and paste it over there and press the enter, and it will be done. And just after that, you will need to just refresh the software package list there that is available in our Ubuntu operating system. So just after that, you need to wait, and for that, after it's done, we just need to write the command to install the CUDNN and CUDA libraries. You guys make sure that spelling of the package is the exactly same, otherwise it will throw out the exceptions. And I am going to install the CUDA drivers along with it. But you guys have to make sure that spelling is the correct. Otherwise, it will not be able to install. So it will be better to just copy and paste it over here. Once the installation command has been provided, but we found that there is an exception for the dependency package that is libinfo 5. But there is no need to issue, just a simple dependency that is due to the previous operating system package files. So that we will go to the browser and open a new tab and search for the term command libinfo 5 and Ubuntu install. And we will get the few links, but we have to go for the Ubuntu package search. Here we will get the list of the operating system that packages can be installed, and we just have to go for the Ubuntu 22.04 operating system. Just by clicking open, you will get a page where it will be showing the available links to download it. As for my system is 64-bit, I will be go for the AMD 64-bit, and you guys can go according to your system architecture. And after opening the page, you just need to copy out the command and open the software package manager. Once it's open, go for the other softwares, click on the add button and press that and add the source. This will add this package to your source list file so that you can refresh the software package list. Once done entering, then just close out all the tabs of the software package management and then just run the sudo apt update command to refresh out the software package lists. After it's done, you just need to run the command for the installation of the CUDA, CUDNN, and CUDA drivers packages. Just wait for it to be finished and run that command. Once it's done, run it and you will see that there is no such software dependency available. Once it's done, just enter the Y or the yes and then enter the keyboard press. And once it's been done, it will automatically install CUDA drivers with the latest version and the CUDNN library and the CUDA toolkits. While it is being completed, we just need to add some environment variables to our terminal because CUDA drivers only get installed but not perform exactly what it is intended to. For that, we need to add the CUDA and CUDNN toolkits for to the software environment or you can say system environment. And installation will take time, so you don't need to worry about that. Till then, we will add the CUDA library into the system environment. Just go to the page and open up the installation instruction. Once done, go to the post installation action and select the mandatory action. You will see environment setup instructions. There are the two parts. Just copied out the first one, open the file explorer, or you can say file manager. Just go for the button and open up the bash rc. But you can do it by shortcut pressing to view the hidden file just by pressing Control H. And after opening the bash rc, press the instruction in the last end of the file. And for the second command line or the second export of the environment file, you get to see that there are two options, 64-bit or the 32-bit of in system operation. As per my system is 64-bit, I will be copy out a 64-bit instruction and paste it over there. You guys can go for the 32-bit system if you have got the 32-bit system, and then just close it out and wait for it to be finished off. The installation will depend on the system configuration, the RAM and the memory and the swap, etc., etc. But you don't need to worry. Just have a little bit patience, and it will be done soon. And once it's done, you just need to restart the system. So I will be fast forwarding over it to the installation finish. As you guys can see, the installation is now complete. So that for the verification of the CUDA drivers and CUDNN, we just need to restart the system, and after that, CUDA driver will be loaded perfectly on the system. So I will be back after the rebooting the system so that we can verify the CUDA packages. Hello guys, welcome again. And now we have just restarted the system, and to verify that, we just need to open the terminal, and then we just need to write out the few commands so that we can verify out that our current installation is working. For the first command, we just need to write nvcc space dash dash version, and it will show out some details about the NVCC CUDA compiler driver version and what CUDA version has been installed over here. And for the second verification of the driver, we just need to run NVIDIA SMI. And just after entering it out, you will get to see the NVIDIA driver version, and the CUDA version that has been currently installed on the system. With this, we can conclude that our CUDA drivers and the CUDNN library have been installed perfectly without any issue. So, thanks for the watching the video, and I hope that you guys will subscribe and like the video and share it as much as possible. And we will be coming soon with the new videos about the content generation or the generation AI tasks like building a chatbots with the LLM and the generating image and plenty more stuff.